Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to turn off notifications on YouTube. Now, there are two methods in order to turn off the notifications. One is from the YouTube application itself, and the other is from your settings of your phone. So let's start with the one from your settings of your phone. You just have to open the settings of your phone. Then you want to search here for notifications, app notifications to be specific. Then it will show you all the apps that you have. I'm gonna search for YouTube. Then simply I will toggle this option right here off. Okay, so you can tap on YouTube itself, click on show notifications, toggle this option off, toggle these options all off, and you will hide all the notifications. Now that was the first method. The second method is to do it from YouTube application itself, and to do so you have to open it, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right side. Once you click on your profile icon, click on your top right corner on the gear icon, then scroll down till you find here notifications. Then what you should do right now is to toggle all these options off. Toggle all these options off, and you'll turn off all the notifications. So my advice is to do both methods. Do this from YouTube application and do this from your mobile. And that's all for today's video. If you find helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.